Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to learn all about SMTP services. Let's get started. Autoresponders are one way of sending out email marketing campaigns to your mailing list. It helps email marketers get the email IDs of their customers using opt-in forms, manage multiple lists, and send mailouts and mail sequences. On the other hand, SMTP services are meant to do one thing. That is to help autoresponders send out emails. They are meant to be integrated into any kind of system you have, like CMS, e-commerce store, or any platform that needs to send emails to people. You can use SMTP services for that. You can also integrate an SMTP service to your email clients, such as Outlook, to send email messages using the SMTP service. SMTP services are used to send any kind of email message, including transactional messages like passwords, access codes, custom ID, or any field that is submitted by your customers on your website. SMTP services are also used for email marketing. For that, you need to have another software to use alongside with SMTP. There are popular software such as Mail Engine and EmailJit that you can use to work along with SMTP services for email marketing. These software work by giving you a front-end interface that will let you do your email marketing, email management, opt-ins, and list management. To send emails, you just need to integrate the SMTP service with that software. So why do we need to use SMTP services if we already have autoresponders for sending mails? SMTP offers a better job at sending emails than autoresponders. SMTP services only do one task. That is to send mailouts to people on your list. Typically, they will do the task better than an autoresponder. SMTP services are much cheaper than autoresponders. Autoresponders have more features that you can use for email marketing, so they are priced higher than SMTP services, which only has one feature to do, that is, sending mailouts. Autoresponders typically charge you with the number of email IDs in your list. If you have 5,000 people in your list, you're going to pay a certain amount of money for that number of people. And if you have more than 5,000 people in your list, like 20,000 email IDs, then you're going to pay more. For SMTP services, you're only charged with the number of emails you send out. So you can make use of SMTP services in addition to the autoresponder that you have. SMTP services can be useful for your business, especially for e-commerce stores, since autoresponders cannot send out email messages like transactional messages, whereas SMTP services have that feature. If you use SMTP providers like SMTP to Go or Sendinblue, all you need to do is integrate it with an app like Mail Engine. Then you can set it to send email messages for you. Some of the popular SMTP services are SendGrid, SMTP.com, SMTP2Go, Elastic Email, and Mailgun. Each app has different ways to integrate its service to an autoresponder like Mail Engine. You'll be able to send out emails very easily using Mail Engine or any autoresponder that you will be using for your business as you integrate it with SMTP services. Now that you know all about SMTP services, we can now proceed to the next topic, a quick review of SendGrid. I'll see you there.